Top 10 Best Portable Grills 2026. Find out the best products for you.
Number 1. The Everdure Cube's unbeatable all-in-one design truly sets it apart. This portable charcoal grill includes a bamboo cutting board and a storage tray, all secured with safety latches. It's perfect for tailgates, beaches, or camp. You can grill anywhere thanks to its integrated base, protecting your surface. With 115 square inches, it handles 6 burgers. Just remember, it's charcoal only, so no propane. Still, for a compact grill, it's incredibly versatile and easy to clean. Number 2. Its patented hitch mount system stands out. This HitchFire Forge 15 is a unique portable grill perfect for tailgating or overlanding. It delivers 15,000 BTUs across dual burners and has 355 square inches of cooking space. You can also detach it and use it as a tabletop grill with integrated legs. However, it does require a vehicle hitch for its primary transport advantage. If you don't have one, this isn't for you. It's an excellent mobile cooking solution backed by a 2-year warranty. Number 3. Instant electronic ignition means no fumbling with matches. This Weber Q1200 portable gas grill is perfect for tailgating or beach cookouts. Its cast iron grates and 8500 BTU burner get the job done reliably. Just remember, it uses disposable 16.4-ounce LP cylinders, sold separately. You'll need an adapter for a 20 pounds tank. For convenient, quick grilling on the go, it's a solid choice. Number 4. This Weber Traveler portable liquid propane gas grill offers superior flavor infusion for travel. Its enameled cast iron grate delivers excellent heat retention and an attractive grilled appearance. The powerful 13,000 BTU burner ensures rapid heating and precise temperature control, perfect for versatile outdoor cooking. Plus, the push-button ignition means easy starts for anyone. However, it's a single burner unit, so if you're feeding a big crew, you might find capacity limited. But for individual campers or small groups, this grill delivers big performance on the go. Number 5. This Everdure Cube portable grill is an all-in-one grilling station. Its integrated design with a cutting board and storage tray makes it incredibly convenient for spontaneous cookouts. You can grill anywhere thanks to the built-in heat guard, perfect for tailgating or tabletop BBQs. The 115 square inches of grilling surface handles 6 burgers easily. It's also lightweight and easy to clean. It's a charcoal-only grill, so propane users will want a different option. But if you love charcoal, this compact travel grill offers serious utility and convenience for small gatherings. Number 6. It's extremely convenient for tailgating. This Charbroil portable gas grill runs on liquid propane, making it super versatile for trips or small spaces. You get reliable power for quick meals anywhere. However, its single burner means you won't be cooking for a crowd. If you need to grill a lot of food at once, this isn't for you. But for compact power, it's a solid choice among portable grills. Number 7. Grills in less than 10 minutes. That's the Cuisinart chef-style portable propane grill. It delivers 20,000 BTUs from 2 independent burners with stainless steel grates. This 22-pound portable gas grill sets up fast, no tools. It's perfect for camping or tailgating with precise temperature control. Just remember, it's a tabletop unit, so plan for a flat surface. If you need powerful, easy grilling on the go, this Cuisinart is a solid choice. Number 8. Precise temperature control for diverse outdoor cooking really sets the Coleman RoadTrip 285 apart. It delivers up to 20,000 BTUs across 285 square inches, with 3 adjustable burners for grilling different foods at once. Setup's a breeze thanks to its quick-fold legs and wheels. Plus, you get push-button Insta-Start ignition for matchless lighting. Just remember, it uses 16.4-ounce propane cylinders, sold separately. This stand-up portable propane grill is excellent for camping or tailgating, offering great power and portability. Number 9. The Snowpeak GS355 grill burner's 9.8 by 14.2 by 6.9 inch size makes it a compact portable grill. It's built for easy packing. Its strength is consistent power from dedicated gigapower gas canisters, such as the GP500GR. But this isn't for universal fuel types. That specific fuel compatibility is its main limitation. If you need a grill using any gas, this isn't your pick. It's a dependable option for campers who value a streamlined setup and already use Snowpeak fuel. Number 10. The ThermoPro TP25 delivers massive 650-foot Bluetooth range for your cooking. This smart, rechargeable meat thermometer lets you monitor 4 probes simultaneously for grilling or BBQ. It's excellent for large backyard cooks or when you're moving around the house or yard. You get an alarm and temperature graph, which are useful for precise results. However, its many features might be overkill if you only need a basic single-probe thermometer. For serious pitmasters or home chefs, though, that extended wireless range is a total game-changer.
Thanks for watching Best Portable Grills. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.